How to transfer money from TD to SIMPLII. Log into your TD account on the official website or app. Navigate to the Transfers or Transfer Funds section. Select Transfer to another bank or external account transfer. Just enter your SIMPLII account details, including account number and institution. Choose the TD account from which you want to transfer funds. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Select the transfer date, either immediate or scheduled for later. Review the transfer details for accuracy before proceeding. Confirm the transfer to initiate the process. Wait for a confirmation message indicating the transfer was successful. Check your SIMPLII account to verify the funds have been received. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.